All right, switching gears here. Some approaching storms have sparked a weather impact alert day here. Heavy rain could lead to street flooding later today and tonight. NOLA Ready just sent out the alert that you can park on the neutral ground. So that's just coming into the newsroom right now. If you need to move your car to high grounds, that starts at 6 tonight. Taking a live look at current conditions outside. Obviously, it looks really beautiful, very peaceful out there right now. I was actually outside and it feels great, but we know that that is expected to change. One of the worst case scenarios would be for these showers to hang over the same spot, bringing intense rain. WWL meteorologist Payton Malone, he's tracking all of this for us and is giving us the very latest.
Thanks, Bree. Yeah, and you know, a lot of the heavier rain is going to come later on this evening and into tonight. Our weather impact alert for really the overnight hours is when we think we could see that flooding risk really materialize. A couple of inches could fall very quickly, but some of you could get over 5 inches. A few severe storms possible too. What does that mean? Well, we were just talking about park the car high. Don't make sure it's somewhere safe before you go to bed tonight, and then also make sure your weather alerts are on your cell phone or get your app just in case there is a tornado warning. The risk is low, but it's not zero. Live radar across the area shows not a whole lot going on at the moment, but if you look back to the west, we do have scattered showers all across parts of the western part of Louisiana and back into Texas. This is what is all going to be moving our way as we go throughout the later afternoon and evening. So rain chances really start to ramp up for that drive home, 5, 6 o'clock, a couple showers. But once again, I think the highest chances are going to be in the early morning hours, lingering into your early Tuesday commute. So that is something you're going to want to keep in mind if you do plan to get out on the roads early Tuesday morning, heading to work. Probably going to have some heavy rain around the region. Now, coming up in the full forecast, we'll talk about how much rain we could get overall. We'll break down the latest model data, and we're talking about an even stronger cold front. Bree, that one's coming in on Wednesday. Just how chilly? That's in your 7-day.